Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision, for educational purposes. Today, we're turning our focus to Russia's most advanced stealth fighter, the 2026 Sukhoi Su-57 Felon. This fifth-generation multi-role aircraft represents the pinnacle of Russian aerospace engineering. In this video, we'll explore the Su-57's exterior design, cockpit and interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and end with a solid conclusion. Let's dive in. Exterior. The Su-57 Felon has a bold, unmistakable design that combines stealth with brute force. Its angular airframe is shaped for low observability, featuring a flat, wide fuselage, forward-swept wing roots, and internal weapons bays. The 2026 version includes enhancements such as improved radar-absorbent materials and tighter panel seals. Twin-canted vertical stabilizers and DSI-style air intakes help reduce radar cross-section. Though it's not as stealthy as American counterparts, the Su-57 balances stealth with aerodynamic efficiency, making it look just as lethal as it performs. Interior and cockpit. Step inside the Su-57, and you'll find a cockpit designed for modern digital warfare. The pilot is surrounded by two large multifunction displays that consolidate flight data, weapon systems, and radar information into a streamlined layout. The 2026 update introduces an enhanced helmet-mounted display, giving pilots target tracking and firing capabilities with a simple head movement. Controls are mostly HOTAs, hands-on throttle and stick, for efficiency in combat situations. The seat is G-force resistant, and the environment is fully pressurized and temperature-controlled, suitable for long missions. Performance. The Su-57 is all about power and versatility. Powered by the new Izdeliye 30 engines, the 2026 version delivers improved thrust and fuel efficiency. These engines allow the jet to supercruise. That means flying at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. Its top speed is around Mach 2.0, and it boasts a combat range of about 1,100 to 1,200 miles. Thrust vectoring nozzles give the Su-57 superior agility, making it capable of performing tight turns and post-stall maneuvers, a real edge in dogfights. Weapons can be carried internally to preserve stealth or on external hardpoints for high-payload missions. It can handle air-to-air missiles, guided bombs, and even air-to-ground munitions. Safety features. In terms of safety, the Su-57 is well equipped with both active and passive systems. The fly-by-wire flight control system ensures pilot commands are accurately executed, even in extreme maneuvers. Radar warning receivers, RWR, missile approach warning systems, and electronic countermeasures provide situational awareness and defense against threats. The Su-57 also includes an advanced ejection seat, capable of safe pilot recovery at high speeds or low altitudes. Its survivability depends not just on stealth, but also on evasion, maneuverability, and electronic warfare support. Unique selling points. What sets the Su-57 apart is its emphasis on supermaneuverability combined with stealth. Unlike the F-35, which focuses heavily on sensors and networks, the Su-57 still prioritizes dogfight capability with 3D thrust vectoring. It's designed to operate in extreme climates and rugged conditions, from icy runways to remote bases, fitting Russia's wide geographic and strategic needs. The open architecture systems also allow for flexible upgrades, making it future-ready. Moreover, the Su-57 can serve multiple roles: air superiority, ground attack, electronic warfare, and reconnaissance, all from one platform. Price. One of the most appealing aspects of the Su-57 is its comparative affordability. The estimated cost per unit in 2026 is around $55 to $65 million, making it significantly cheaper than the F-35 or F-22. This lower price point gives Russia an advantage in scaling up production and attracting potential foreign buyers. However, export versions are likely to be downgraded to protect key technologies. 2026 Su-57 Felon is a high-performance, multi-role fighter that blends stealth, power, and agility into one advanced platform. While it may not match Western jets in sensor fusion or software integration, it excels in raw maneuverability, range, and versatility. It reflects Russia's strategic doctrine: cost-effective, rugged, and combat-ready. The Su-57 isn't just a fighter, it's a statement of Russia's continued relevance in modern air power. Thanks for watching this educational review of the 2026 Su-57 Felon. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a review from Driven Vision. Until next time, stay informed and fly smart.